traders, I'm just going to run through last week's VIP signals and give you my take, show you what I was looking for with these trades. This one, Aussie dollar, I'm just going to run from the top of this list down alphabetically. I was just looking for continuation with this. Now, we didn't get it, and what happened was we had this double bottom and strong spike. So I actually decided to close this one at break even, or just slightly less than break even here. As it was, it kind of continued up. So I just didn't like how this was playing out and decided to abandon this trade. The Euro Aussie, again, I'm looking for continuation, trend continuation, and it didn't do anything throughout the entire US session. Went negative anyway. I closed this one slightly in profit and decided to abandon the trade. The euro dollar, I was looking for a counter trend trade with this, thinking we might see this continue down, and of course that didn't happen. We ended up closing this one slightly better than break even. Pound Oz, this was the other one. Oh no, Tuesday. Yep, okay. Yeah, it wasn't an easy week this week, guys. Markets are very volatile at the moment with Trump at the helm. I'm looking for continuation. Double top, equal highs, closed at break even. And again, it's one of those things that we just didn't get a lucky break. And look, I mean, everything was setting up, potentially looking good, but yeah, I mean, look, guys, the markets are very volatile right now, and not many traders are able to get ahead in this current environment. I can assure you, we're doing pretty good. We've actually got 8 out of 9 of our last weeks are in profit. Not huge profits, but a winning week is a winning week, guys. Slow and steady wins the race. We just keep chipping away, and actually I've come up with another take on one of my strategies, and we had a really good result. I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is one day. Admittedly, it's a paper trading account. 100K increased, was at 0.65% in a day. And mind you, I was being pretty aggressive with it. This was forward testing, not back testing, and it showed me that this is something that we can potentially implement. I made a video about it, guys. It's the reversal strategy. If you have a look at that last video. So we might look at implementing this into the coming week. This one, yeah, look, I mean, look at this price action. Let me just go back a little bit. Again, some weeks are going to be better than others. Look, I'm basically following this, looking for continuation. Didn't happen. This one was closed in profit, so we made a little bit of money out of that. Pound Swiss. Wednesday, yeah, look, midweek I'm seeing a lot of reversals, and the market's shifting. I mean, you can see that here. I'm just showing you these charts. I mean, you can see what's happening. Trending nicely, look. And again, I'm just looking for continuation, and, we get that. So this was closed in profit. We made a little bit out of it. Yeah, I mean, look, it's still range bound. XAG, yeah, this one's a limit buy. We'll see how we go with this next week. That's actually still open, but everything else has been closed. We had a gold. I was looking for this to reverse. We've got this imbalance down here, and it's looking like, it might continue down. Always looking for that Fibonacci pullback. In any case, this one I closed at break even again. It went negative, it came back down, it's just meandering around, so I decided to abandon it, and we'll just come back to it on Monday and see what it looks like. And then do we have a US oil? What's going on with that? Yeah, that was the week before. That was another one that we closed at break even. Trading isn't easy, guys, I can tell you. We're looking for continuation, and then, it decides to reverse on you. Okay, so I mean, an environment like this, with all this volatility, the challenge is managing these trades and, making decisions based on what we're seeing in the charts, really. And, that's all I'm doing. It's keeping an eye on things. And, if it doesn't look right, I'll close a trade. But we had an okay week last week. We came out 0.5R in front. Week before 0.14, the week before 3.35. That was nice. 0.5. Okay, so it's been slow and steady wins the race. We had one losing week there. These were quite nice. 1.8, 1.5, 3.3. Yeah, I mean, we'll see how we go into this coming week. Every week when I look back the trades that we've taken, I'm always looking at how we can make a difference into the coming week. And as I said, this is something that I tested out last week and yeah, had a really good result with this. So I will be implementing this into this coming week, but slowly and surely, guys. I'm not going to be aggressive like I was when I was testing it out. I tried to prove this thing wrong, basically, and I took every signal. But, I'm going to be very conservative and selective in the coming week with this reversal strategy. We'll just see how we go with it. So, yeah, I mean, with that, we're making money. Now, depending on the risk that you set, this result will vary depending on that. So I know that some of my members are risking 1% per trade and they're doing really well. I don't recommend doing that. I go to a maximum of 0.4% risk per trade. I could bump that up to 0.5. It just depends. I want to see a stronger result every week. 2 or 3R. If we can reach a target of, between 2 and 3R every week, then I'll increase to 0.5%. But, we're doing okay. So with that, guys, look, if you haven't already, jump on board. And you can connect your MT4 account to mine through TS Copier here. There's a video on how to do it. And I'm making this incredibly affordable at the moment. It's fully discounted, guys, down to $29.95 a month for a limited time. Click here and that will take you to my WAP landing page. So with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.